Hello, uh, thank you for watching. My name is Queen. I want to tell you what I'm about to do. Yes, this channel is Queen Discovered, but it's Queen Discovered, not that I'm discovering what is happening inside, is Elevate Life with Law of Attraction. So, to start this program is because of what happens to me last year, 2024. Between December 2023, 2024, I gave money to a friend that is doing business, because me, I'm intermediate. What I do as a business, I do intermediate between people who are doing skilled worker visa. I will get somebody who is doing it, the company that need it. Then I will get people who want to do it. I collect money from the people and I give to the company. Then I have my own commission. So, and I have been doing that, and everything have been going up and down, but better. I've never have involved whereby there's somebody money that's involved. So, but it happens that in this case, what's happened is that I give to a good friend of mine, and there was 6 people anyway. So it happens that and he was a kind of, it's coming under 5 months, 5 weeks, 5 weeks, January, February, we couldn't, and I start being stressful, and people start asking me the money, and I don't have it. I'm not somebody who owe people. I have been doing law of attraction, getting all my business done, and getting things happening to me, which I'm very happy person. I'm very hardworking person, and I'm not that kind of person who like to eat people money. You see, so, and when this incident happened, I'm so pissed off, because I need to give them their money, or I give them COS, and there was no paper, not he would say form, everything. So anyway, to cut it short, I start having depression. I can't sleep in the night, and people are calling me 12 midnight. They are calling me 5 o'clock in the morning, and people are crying. They are paying credit because they take a loan to give me that money so that I can use to get something they want. I didn't get what they want, and they are stressed, and I'm stressed as well. I'm trying, chasing him here and there to get that money. I couldn't. So what's happened is that I was thinking, okay, I will start paying this money by myself. So I'm a personal shopper. That is the main job I'm doing. But by the side, I'm doing my cream. Then when my cream come out, I said, okay, I will just focus on my cream, so that maybe I will make money from my cream and start paying them. So when my cream come out, I start giving to shops. And you know, in the shops, when you bring a new cream in town, it's a fair complexion cream, very good for black skin and brown skin. So when you give it to shop, you will give them free, and then when they sell, they will give you money. So they will give you the rest of the set. So, and they start selling, and they will tell me, I have about 15 shops that have my cream. They will tell me, oh, come later, I will pay you later. Just give me more cream. Give me more cream. Customer need it. I will pay all together. So before you know it, it's a big amount of money. Yeah, it's more than £8,000 that is out. And when you go to check, and when I go the whole London, they are giving me 50. Sometimes I come back home with £50, £100. I'm crying because I need to pay these people their money. And since I'm not getting the feedback from the person that eat the whole money, because I don't have, and when I collected half of the money, which giving the money out, giving half of the money. So what I used to do is that when they bring the COS, then I will collect the remaining money and take my own commission. So I don't have anything yet, you see. So it just happened that way. So finally, I succeeded to, I continue doing that September, and I work June, July, June, July, October, or August. So the money I make through that time, I use it to pay my children bills, because the rent where they are living, going to university, so I need to pay it. So I use it and pay that. After paying that, September, I said, okay, I will continue working there so that I will start paying people. So I stop. I fell down where I was with my son somewhere, because I don't tell anybody I don't sleep in the night. My heart is as if my heart is going out from my body. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know what it is. And I go to GP. I will tell them, they will tell me, okay, take some vitamin. If you are stressed, you will be okay. Vitamin 12 and all those. Nothing is cooling me down. So, and I'm not sleeping the whole night. I will pass 24 hours without sleeping. I will lie in my bed. I'll pretend as if I sleep because my children is worried. I'll just take my shower and start again. So I'm struggling and nothing is coming out. And I used to do intermediate in the real estate, whereby I will still, somebody who is looking for house, I will meet some agency, and where you are looking for house, I will discuss with the agency. I will go and visit the place. When I make sure that everything, I collected your documents. When I make sure everything is okay, then I will take you there. So it makes people not to look for house. I will help them to get a house for buying. Okay. I don't trust anyone again. I start reasoning on myself. I start staying. Sometimes I will go to bed 10 o'clock in the morning. I will wake up 11:30 in the morning, and that's it for the whole day. I can't do anything. It was very bad. I will go out, I will move around, I will come back without money. And I don't do my meditation. I don't do prayer again. I was just worried of what is happening to me. So September, I fell down and I went to hospital. When I fell down, my son called, it happens that I have to find myself in the hospital. When I went to hospital, and they tell me that I'm having a heart failure. A doctor tell me, look, if you're having a diabetes, we can cure you, because there's a medication for that. If you're having a blood pressure, we can cure you, there's a medication for it. But you see, heart failure, you have to cure yourself. You have to gather yourself together. Because if you continue the way I'm seeing it, you will not stay till December 2024. I said, oh my God, my children are still little. This is not my time. I have not enjoyed life yet. My children are still little. I have to be a grandma for my own children. I have to enjoy life. I have to get a husband of my own, marry again, and live a good life. I have to distribute my cream all over. I have to do a lot of things. Clean people's tears, because this is all my dreams. I want to build up something that will help others. I know people who are suffering, who need help. I will help everybody. And I have to be a millionaire. So this is my dream. I have to be a millionaire, multi-millionaire, so that I can be able to spread my wings and help people. So I'm not doing it. It's not time for me to die. So, you know, the father of my children, that's my ex-husband, when he noticed my situation, he decided to come and spend the holiday with us. He was here for Christmas. We are staying, and it's somebody that we are no longer husband and wife, but he's somebody I consider like my dad. He gave me a lot of advice, and he's a wonderful father for the children, and which I love so much. So I thank God for my life, for my children. They are so lovely. They are always there for me. So, as I am for them as well. So, you know, it happens that after discussing, I get myself back. And again, one of my friends, is involved in this. One of my best, my dearly friend. You know, you have friends, but you have the ones you call sister. So, and Harmony is involved in this. But when these things start happening, she will call me. I will tell her, I don't want to near you because until I pay you, because I was ashamed. I have been helping people, and when it comes to my own person, I couldn't do it. I said, I can't near you. So December, she's 25th, she said she was coming. I tell her, she said, oh, you don't want to see me. I said, come. So I don't want to tell her that the father of my children is here. I don't want to tell her that I was sick. I don't want to tell her anything, because I know her own problem and I'm not helping. So with this COS case. So after she came, and we talked it over, and I was so happy to see her. I was so happy to see her. And since then, we have started our friendship back again. It's just somebody I can just open up and discuss everything. And she understands me. She know how to tell me this, that. So now, what I'm trying to say, I didn't come here to talk about all my, but I need to say it because me, I'm telling you, my own problem now is to pay the money I'm owing, which is the money I'm owing, which is 24,500. So you, I don't know how much you're owing, and I have my bills that stock as well, because without, this is the money I'm owing for COS, but I have my bills since last year, since I'm not working, and everything was just together. And doctor advised me that I cannot be doing a personal shopper work again because it's stressful, so that I have to get a job that is not so stressful. So now I decided to choose support work, whereby I can be taking care of the disabilities and be able to hustle, side hustle, and do my YouTube and do my crane. So I need time for all those things. So you, I don't know what you have, or don't know what is your problem. And I want to tell you that the law of attraction, you used to see people who said they are doing law of attraction, they did law of attraction, and it worked for them. Me, it's something I started doing since long time, and it have been working for me. I have achieved a lot with law of attraction, but 2024 bring me down on my nails. So this 2025, I want to tell you, I'm going to pay these people, and I'm not going to achieve a lot. I'm not going to be, I will be abundant, I will be rich. So if you want to follow me in the journey of being healthier, because I will teach you how to cook, the kind of food that you can eat, even African food. When it comes to African food, I know a lot. I'm a Nigerian, so I know a lot. When you come to French food, I know it as well, because I'm partly French. I grew up in France. So, and I used on the opportunity I had with my ex-husband. We travel a lot of places, so I know a lot of food. So I'll teach you how you can cook any kind of food without using much oil and all those. So in this program, I will teach you what to eat, because I want to be healthy. I want to remove all this fat that is running around me. So I will teach you how to do side hustle. I will show you when I'm doing my own gym, because I'm 50 plus. So I'm not ashamed to tell my age. So I'm 50 plus. So for those who are, it's very difficult to reduce, to lose weight and all those things. So I don't need to do over gym. I'm not somebody who is doing, no. I take it easily. I'm an elegant lady. So I will show you how, when I'm doing my gym, you see how I'm doing my gym, what I do, my program, my morning routine, my night routine, every day, what I'm doing, weekend. Why I call this program Alive, Healthy, Happier, and Richer. Why? Because for some of us single lady, at the end of the week we are home, or we start going to the bar, all this. I watch this guy program, Brian Johnson, that want to live long. I don't want to die. So I see the food, the ease. So I think those food, they look so a little bit sad. And I admire him so much, because to have the courage and do what he's doing is not easy. It's not easy to have the courage to wake up in the morning, 4 o'clock, and take all those things he's taking, because they are not really sweet. But he's doing it, and the children, the son follow him up, the father, and the result is there. So I really appreciate him. I watch him every time. So, but mine is not, I don't want to die, but I want to live, because for me, I don't need to prevent myself from going out. So on Friday, when I go out, or Saturday, you will see where I'm going out. Or being a single lady, being a mom, there's a places you can go out and catch fun and try to be. And when you are somebody who want to be rich, you have to be where those rich people are, so that you will still feel that. So these are the things I'm going to show you in this program. So in this channel. So as you're watching, you will know, and when I will do a challenge, then you can join me. We do 21 days challenge. It can be a challenge for money, it can be a challenge for weight, it can be a challenge for food, and we make comment and anything you feel you want to join me for. So let's do it below. So I'll be going out, and I will take you out. I will show you where I'm going and everything that's happening around me. So I'll be bringing out video often, so you better follow up. Okay, so this is it. So this year I'm using the law of attraction, which I know I will show you my meditation as well. So the law of attraction, as I know, I will use it to take care of myself. The cream I use, sure, is my cream. What I use for my hair, how I fix my hair, because I'm doing weaving. I don't wear wig. So I will show you when I'm treating my hair, how I fix my hair, how I economize my money, but I will still look good. And in my house, how I do things, I like good things, but I will have that good things, but not so much expensive. So I'm not rich. If I'm rich, I will not be having credit, you know. I will not be owing. So it's to tell you, if you want to join me, this is the time. It's a wake-up call. And if you're somebody, because there was a time, I will see myself, I can't tell you, less than 1 month, I'll see myself staying here, watching television 8 hours. I will see that I'm watching that television, touching my laptop. I'm not seeing anything, as if I'm looking for a response. I'm not getting the reply from there. So if you are the person, you are somebody who is having this depression like that, I wake up in the morning, I go to my kitchen, I come back to my sitting room. After I go to my kitchen, I come back to my sitting room. So my brain is turning, and I'm planning a lot of things in the brain, overthinking it. I'm not doing it. So if you are somebody who are in this position, so this is a wake-up call. Stand up with Queen. Let's do it. Let's do it in the morning. Now, let me tell you, I started since 1 week. So now what I do in the morning, I wake up in the morning. I go to bed 10:30. I take my shower, I sleep. So in the morning, sometimes I cannot sleep. I'll be turning, but I'm relaxing. I do my meditation in the bed, because that permits me to sleep. When I do the 20 minutes meditation of Bob Proctor, it helps me to sleep. So then, in the morning, I wake up 5 to 6, sometimes 6 o'clock. Then I'll go out. I go and walk in the garden, because I don't go to gym then. I'll go and walk in the garden. By 7:30 to 8, I'll go to the gym, because actually I'm not working. But if I'm working, I know that the time will change. So I can be flexible with my time and try to make it happen. If I work 3 days a week, I can be able to. Now I do, the doctor give me doing swimming pool. I go to swimming pool twice in a week, and I do gym almost every day, apart from Saturday and Sunday, because I have the Saturday at the moment, I use it weekend with my children. We watch films, we just do whatever we want, and on Sunday as well. So I need to share those lives, because you know, in the you know, the science of getting rich, he said that God want to enjoy having a car with you. The car you're driving, God wants to enjoy with you. The food you are eating, God is enjoying it through you, and is enjoying all those things. So you will not prevent yourself not to do those things, because somebody say, I don't like going to club. It's not going to club that is the problem. It's what you do in the club that matters. So it's not because you go to club that you are a sinner. It's what you do in that club. So God express himself through us. So me, I take my time to take care of my children, to enjoy my children, to go out for myself, and do it. This is what we'll be doing. So I've not do that 2024. I didn't do anything of that, because I was so sad. I was not happy with what is happening to me. So this time, I will take you around. We go and do things we want to do, and believe in law of attraction. You have to believe, because it's real. So this one, I don't want to tell you you have to believe. You have to believe to follow up. If you follow me every day, because each day I'm presenting a video, I will be writing day 1, 2, all those things. So you will be having video 1, video 2, so you will know what is happening. Okay? So you can follow me. If you're having problem, my dear, this is the time to solve it. Wake up. 2025 is our year. Okay? Bye.